Hail and greetings all. Ragnarok Prepper here again. Figured I'd take you for a short hike down the one path so you can see the beauty of autumn mixed with winter. So let's the leaves aren't so crunchy today, which of course we had 3 days of rain prior to our second day of snow now. It's one of the great things I find in nature. Every season has some form of beauty that you can only see that time of year. I can't have a hankering for snow in the middle of July. It doesn't work that way. I have to wait and hold on to my memories. There's pictures in my mind. Just like I can't see orange and red and yellow trees in the spring, at least not in the same way that I can see them in the fall. It's all about cycles and holding on to those cycles. I think sometimes we forget that our bodies cycle. It's important to be in touch with those cycles. We're not meant to run 365 days a year, 24/7. There's a reason why the earth has a season of winter, of fallowness. There's a reason why there's rebirth in the spring, and a growing season in the summer, and a time to harvest. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I can hear the crunch of the snow. A different sound than the crunch of the leaves, but an enjoyable one nonetheless. I hope you enjoyed our short hike in the first snowstorm of the year here. Until next we meet, be well.